Good afternoon, KIS, and welcome to another edition of Tech Tuesdays. Today, we will be covering split screen on your devices. Split screen is a fantastic way to minimize swiping between full screens or navigating between apps, and it's a really great way to improve your workflow. If I were to be in a meeting on Zoom or Google Meet, for example, that I want to take notes on, split screen is a great way to watch the meeting while taking notes effortlessly. So let's go ahead and get into split screen. I will show you two ways to get into the split screen mode. The first is using the green full screen toggle at the top of any window. If you hover over it, it gives you the option to tile the window to the left or the right of the screen. If I tile the window to the left side of the screen, it will then open up the other windows for me to choose to create a split screen between notes and my Zoom meeting over here. I can toggle the sizes of each window by grabbing the middle slider and sliding back and forth to make one bigger or one smaller. And so while that pretty face on that side is giving us a lot of information, we can take notes on the right window without having to switch between apps. To get out of split screen, you may simply mouse to the very top, click on the green, and that will get you out of the split screen mode. Here, I have two Chrome windows open. One is a Tinkercad window in which I'm trying to teach myself Tinkercad. And on the left side here, I have a Chrome window that's open teaching me with a PDF. Here, I'm going to show you a different way to get into split screen. First, I'm going to maximize the Tinkercad window by just simply clicking on here and making it a full screen app. After that, I'm going to swipe back into the desktop that has the second window I'd like to put into full screen and go to Mission Control.
How do you go to mission control? I think it will be helpful to explain that.
Mission control can be achieved by 3 or 4 fingers swiped up on the mouse pad. If this doesn't work for you, check your system preferences as it's in one of the trackpad settings. Now, I can drag any window into any of the desktops at the top. However, if I hover over a full screen app, you'll see that it gives me the option to drop it in and make that a split screen space. I can follow along this tutorial on the left to begin my creation of a Tinkercad project. On an iPad, getting into split screen is as simple as opening 2 apps on top of each other. If I open up YouTube, where I see the Tech Tuesday from last week, at the very top of the screen I can tap the 3 dots and ask for split view. There, I can go ahead and put up my Notes app, change the screen dimensions, and take great notes from the video that was from last week. One other application that I really like about split screen is you're able to drag photos from your photo album into any document. So if I'm in my photo album on one side, I can use that to just drag right into a Google Doc, and I can begin making my posters for my Pearl Jam fan club. That's it. So that's it for split screen. I hope that you use this to improve your workflow and increase your multitasking ability on your devices. Thanks and have a great rest of your day.
That part will definitely go in.
So that's it. All right.